Hello everyone, this is Lydia from Hebei Xingchen Glass. We are a manufacturer who specialized in high borosilicate glassware. The product in front of me, I would like to introduce some details of it. First of all, material of this one is high borosilicate glass, which is more light and more transparent. We also have cover for this glass jar made of bamboo and food grade silicone ring to make it more airtight. Another important thing of the thickness of glass jar, you can see the standard thickness is 2 mm. We also can do it thinner or thicker as per your request. And we also can do the customized service like logo or the marine line, like this. We also have various sizes of this glass jar series. You can